Hello, today we're going to repair the Torin hydraulic long ram jack. It's a 2-ton model T32001. Mine is a 2011, so the seal is a 36 millimeter outside diameter. 2013 or newer, it's a different seal. So first remove the upper part of the hoist, and then go ahead and also remove the rest of the hoist. And here's the jack you're going to be repairing. I already have unscrewed mines, and I used a 14-inch pipe wrench. Then go ahead and lift it right out slowly. And I forgot to mention, make sure you take out the pressure before you start the process, and also drain it before you unscrew the top. Now going back to this, go ahead and remove this out. Now you can easily confirm if you need the 36 millimeter seal or the 40. And here inside we got our 36 millimeters, 35.90. That's how you can confirm what seal you need. And also here's the seal. You can clearly confirm that this seal is damaged. Once you place the new seal in, make sure you put it in the correct direction, same as the one that was on there before. And once you put in the new seal, then go ahead and once you got the new seal back on, go ahead and flush this out. Put some hydraulic fluid in, and you're gonna see some parts might come out from the old seal. You want to make sure it's clean in there. Then you want to build everything back together, and once you've assembled everything, don't forget to add hydraulic fluid. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps. So here is the seal I was able to obtain. This is not the exact one. The exact one I believe is 28 by 36 by 10 millimeters. But this should work also. Let's go ahead and put in the magnet lube on the seal. So just a little bit, the cup part is going to go down. And now you got the cup part facing down there. And you definitely want to use new hydraulic oil, because there's a lot of pieces of plastic that could be in the old oil or even steel. This is a Hein Warner. Let's go ahead and put in a little bit on the jack. So we're going to put in a little bit down the middle hole. Now we're going to put the piston back in. Make sure you have relieved the pressure before you put the piston in. Then you want to tighten it back up with a pipe wrench. Now we're going to put some hydraulic fluid. You could get these little squeeze bottles in Harbor Freight. So once you filled it up, then go ahead and, with this still loose, go ahead and pump it about 20 times. And then close this, and you should be good to go. Try it out, and there it is, working again. Thank you for watching.